And of course, naimbag na manang kada kayo amin na po. Welcome to 3x3 Secondary Girls Basketball Quarterfinals po tayo. Kailan? Ito yung SMC Kalawang. 3-point shot coming at the side. R3 Basketball. Biko. Easy basket. No. R3 Basketball again. Hits. Libre sa gilid, at the side, and definitely that will be a foul. Foul on White. Biko, first on White, Region 5. Super shot. Biko for the easy putback. Tight ball game at 1. General jumper. At may tulak tayo doon. Kitang-kita. Sige ate, dito tayo. Please be reminded po coaches ha. Wala pong coaching and wala pong remote coaching. Based po sa guidelines na pinalabas natin, pabayaan po natin yung mga bata maglaro. Maraming salamat po. Ragsak, Ranyag, Lawan. Pilit ang tira. And it's white ball. Biko Region Basketball. Tiebreaker with 8 minutes and 23 seconds. Ciso Babel, and the basket is good for Clara, Region 3. First, Bermas, number 9. Clara Basketball. Ganda ng depensa ng mga ate ko. And another basket for Clara. Biko Region. Pass. Ball downtown. All the way from SM. Tarlac City. Layo nun.
Tarlac ba yun?
Foul on the shot clock. Reversing her way. Foul on the right. 13 foul. 13 foul for Biko Region. Biko Region Basketball, sigsaging side map and ay pilit ang tira. Ate ito, number 16 for Clara, losing the basketball sa UP. Ganda ng depensa ng Biko Region. One back, offensive putback, no basket. Clara, number 17, short. With 7 and 18 remaining. Number 9. Minamasay talaga ni numero 9. Foul ang Clara. Second team foul. Long ball, short. Clara. 3.7 remaining sa ating shot clock. 3 and 7/10 seconds remaining. Basket. Tagdogin. Biko. Numero 4. 16 Tulicana. But not this time. Again, Clara basketball. For the putback mula. Number 16. Patay ang alipit. Number 6, libre si ate. Yes, number 10. 6 and 30. Ang layo na natin. Numero 9 to number 16. Ang ganda ng cup. 6-4 in favor of Clara. Pinpoint passing. Touches. White basketball. Shot clock at 3. 3.6 remaining sa ating shot clock. And shot clock violation. And of course, siyempre po, ang aming pong taus-pusong pasasalamat dito po sa ating mga kapulisan ng Lawag City. Para po. Likewise po sa ating mga RHU and medical personnel, ang ating medical team na nakaantabay po dito. Maraming salamat po. Ragsakan niya at Lawag. No basket, rebound by number 3. Fighting for the loose ball. It's Clara basketball. Number 16. Attacking. Almost, but not quite. Followed White, Bicol Region. 14 foul. 14 foul. At ayun, narating numero 14, Indicada, awan. Nakarating Clara, numero 17. Attacking the basket for the C basket. 5:30 remaining. 8-4 ang ating official score. Still in favor of the Richards. Bicol Region. And that basket is good. What a shot. One shot. 13 foul for Region 3. 13 foul. Number 7 losing the basketball. It's Clara basketball. 10 on the shot clock. Top of the key, short. Ball recovered by Bicol Region. Ito, maatake. Ganda na turn around jumper natin. But not this time. Turnover. 380 degrees ang ikot mo natin. Still around of time. Less than 5 minutes to play. 4 minutes and 58 seconds. 16. Good bounce out. Ito na naman. From Bicol Region. Bicol Region. Saktong tumulong. Short. Rebound ni ate. The Lady Pirates from the Bicol Region. Ito. Libre. Easy basket. Naglandi ng bagya. It's Clara basketball. Na libre. Official score 9-5. 4 minutes and 15 seconds. 8 on the shot clock. Still Bicol Region. 4 shots. Sana Bicol Region with 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Official score 9-5. Clara. And back to my watching here at SM City Lawag Parking Space. Maraming salamat po sa inyo sa pagpapagdakala po sa Department of Education Basketball Revenues Association headed by our tournament manager, Dr. Edilberto Avalos. It's Region 5 basketball, almost losing the letter. Short tie guy. 3 minutes and 45. Nice. Napako na tayo sa 9 at 5. Ang ating score, still in favor of the red shirt. Clara Patriots. Up and under shot. Steve. Bicol Region basketball. Ganda na ikot ni ate. What a shot. 6-9. Long ball. Number 16. 10-6, 3 and 17. 8 on the shot clock. Short. 8 on the shot clock. Good back. Libre si ate. Walang kabu. Steal. Very resilient. Ito mga taga-Bicol. Wala pa rin kabu. Circle. 2 minutes and 52 seconds sa ating game clock. At para po sa ating viewing public, ngayon din pong gabi, shot clock at 12. Ngayon din pong gabi ang semifinals natin. Number 16, stolen by the Bicol region with 10 on the shot clock, 2 and 40 remaining. Ang layo yan, all the way from SM Albay. Not this time. Layo nun, 17 hours ang biyahe. Bypass, ay pa yan, by private car. Yung wala pa rin. Fighting for the loose ball, White basketball, Region 5. 2 minutes and 28. 10-6 is our official score. Number 9. Rebound by 17, 2 and 19. 8 on the shot clock. With ball rotation. Number 9. Attacking the hoop. Ball stolen. 10 on the shot clock. 2 minutes and 8 seconds. Definitely, that will be a foul with the charge to Clara. 13 foul. 2 minutes and 3 seconds. Nakalimutan bumagsak. 7-10. Less than 2 minutes to play. 1 and 55. 5 on the shot clock. 11. 7-11. Region 5 basketball. 5 on the shot clock. At may tulak tayo. But sa clear. 15 foul. 15 foul. Officials are from Davao Region and Calabarzon. Dr. Edwin Garcia and Dr. Reynaldo Vicky. All shot. 1 and 33. 10 on the shot clock. 11-7. Still in favor of the red shirts. Number 16. And definitely that is a foul. 2 shots ang ibibigay sa Region 5. 16 foul for Clara. 16 foul. Once again po, may malim kada kayo amin na po. 2 shots. And of course, please be reminded, parang teachers, wala pong coaching dito. As per agreement and as per guidelines po. 1 minute and 17 seconds. Babayan lang po natin yung mga anak natin na maglaro. Almost losing the letter. Foul on the shot clock. Huli ka? Almost? Rebound? They push tayo. 17 foul. 2 shots. 2 shots. 1 minute and 6 seconds left sa ating game clock. And of course, sa ating mga kasama po ito, from Bureau of Fire and Protection, maraming salamat po. For PNP Lawag City, maraming salamat po sa assistance. At siyempre, sa pamunuan po ng SM City Lawag, thank you very much po. Eto na, umaatake na, 8-11 ang aking score with, as we go to the 1 minute of this game, 3 on the shot clock, 2. Good. Bigger Region Basketball. 2 shots. Almost. Put back. Patay ang ano din. 30 seconds. 7 on the shot clock. 5 on the shot clock. 3 on the shot clock. Shot clock violation. And disqualified pa. 28 seconds, 28 and 6 tenths of a second. Ito na ang mga atake ng numero 9. Losing the basketball. Region 3. 8 on the shot clock. Attack! 5 on the shot clock. Sobra. Akawang buko tayo. Shot clock violation. Go! 11 seconds. 10 seconds. Almost. Bigger Region. 3 seconds. And congratulations to Region 3 winning over Bicol Region. And next up, second time for us basketball.